Elon Musk brought the world to EVs, created reusable rockets, built a global satellite internet network, supported the restoration of lost biological functions with Neuralink, and developed high-speed tunnel systems to reduce urban traffic congestion and improve transportation with the Boring Company, all while balancing the federal budget as a side job. And now we are approaching the era of the Tesla Optimus robot, a humanoid robot that promises to revolutionize human life by taking over boring, dangerous, and repetitive tasks. From Elon Musk's perspective, the Tesla Bot Optimus is not just an advanced technological product, but a revolution in how humans work and live. He believes that demand for Optimus will explode to the point where Tesla may struggle to produce them fast enough to meet market needs. With an expected price range of $10,000 to $20,000 and flexible leasing programs, Optimus is set to become a household device, making it possible for everyone to own or experience an intelligent humanoid robot. However, what makes Optimus truly special is not just its ability to clean houses, take care of loved ones, or handle simple tasks. The bigger question is, can it take on more complex responsibilities? Elon Musk seems to have the answer. Recently, he revealed plans to produce 10,000 robots this year at the Fremont factory, with sales to customers expected as early as next year. And this is the latest update on the Tesla Bot. Welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us reach 1,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Thank you. The growing presence of humanoid robots excites and unsettles us, as the prospect of humans and machines coexisting is no longer a distant vision. Will this be a breakthrough that brings unparalleled convenience, or the beginning of sci-fi scenarios like I, Robot, or the Terminator, where artificial intelligence spirals out of control? A more immediate concern is the possibility of robots gradually replacing human workers in various industries. For this reason, despite their groundbreaking potential, humanoid robots continue to face skepticism and controversy. Yet, despite the debates, top technology companies remain committed to developing humanoid robots, aiming to make them an indispensable part of society. Among the wave of innovation, one name stands out: Tesla Bot Optimus. More than just riding on the reputation of Tesla and Elon Musk, Optimus impresses with its advanced features, agility, and competitive pricing. More importantly, it is no longer just an experimental concept. Optimus is steadily proving itself as a reliable assistant in everyday life. Tesla is making a significant leap in its humanoid robot ambitions as Optimus enters real-world testing within its factories. No longer just a showcase prototype, Optimus will be deployed at Tesla's Fremont facility in California this year, with an initial production run of 10,000 units. This marks not only a major milestone for Tesla, but also a clear statement from Elon Musk. Optimus is set to become an essential part of the company's production and operations. To prepare for the expansion phase, Tesla is actively hiring for multiple positions related to Tesla Bot, ranging from production technicians to process managers. According to the latest job listings, at least 12 positions are currently open at the Fremont facility, all dedicated to Optimus. This signals that Tesla does not see Optimus as merely an experimental project, but is steadily moving toward mass production. According to Elon Musk, these robots will not be limited to simple tasks like cleaning or organizing components. They will be trained directly in the factory to gather data and adapt to more complex tasks. If the trials succeed, Optimus could play a crucial role in Tesla's electric vehicle production line, enhancing efficiency and reducing tedious or hazardous work for human employees. Beyond factory automation, Musk has also teased the upcoming Optimus Gen 3, expected to launch in mid-2026. This upgraded version will feature significant advancements, marking the transition from internal production use to broader commercial deployment. To achieve this, Tesla is setting an ambitious production roadmap. With the current phase will be 1,000 robots per month. The next goal, 10,000 robots per month. And when entering the expansion phase will be 100,000 robots per month. Once Optimus reaches more than 1 million units per year, Musk believes that the production cost will drop below $20,000. We think it will be around $15,000. He compared Optimus to a Model Y and said that if the production volume is equivalent, the Optimus price can be only half or equivalent to the Model Y. Once again, please help us reach 1,000 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated.
Thank you. 5 years ago, when AI technology was still in its infancy, the majority of people barely believed in the intelligence of a humanoid robot. But look what we got now. A robot that can perform a wide range of useful tasks like a homemaker and handle various duties in Tesla factories. With a final price at 20 grand, what do you think about this robot? Throughout the year, when it comes to robotics and AI, Optimus Robot has been the most media-attracting and talked-about machine. Some supported, others doubted, and there are those who are worried that these robots might be taking our jobs and then take over the world, just like the scenarios we often see in sci-fi movies. Is the Tesla Bot Optimus truly beneficial for humans? What tasks can it perform? Will it be more successful than electric cars? Today, it's no longer entirely accurate to view Tesla as merely a manufacturer of expensive electric cars. Over the last 2 years, Tesla's expanded its vision into the field of AI by introducing humanoid robots. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, believes that the company is not just an EV manufacturer, but also one of the world's leading technology corporations. A prime example of this is the FSD system, a groundbreaking product unmatched by any competitor. However, Musk recognizes that to truly demonstrate Tesla's status as a technology company, they need a more representative and powerful AI product. And that's why Tesla Bot Optimus was born. Elon emphasizes that Tesla has a significant advantage in producing humanoid robots at a low cost by leveraging the technology already developed for electric vehicles, with costs as low as 10 grand. How is this possible? Let's hear Elon say this.
So in order to have the robot not cost like hundreds of thousands of dollars, in order to make it cost like $10,000 or $20,000.
Everything we've developed for our cars, the batteries, power electronics, the advanced motors, gearboxes, the software, the AI inference computer, it all actually applies to a humanoid robot.
Tesla Bot Optimus was first announced in 2021, but was initially criticized for its limited capabilities. However, the relentless efforts have paid off. Looking back at Tesla Bot in 2022, and now, how do you see it? It's clear things have changed a lot in just over 2 years. And since the start of the year, the utility, component structure, and features of Optimus have been improved at an incredibly rapid rate. This proves that Tesla's robotic ambitions have become much more serious. Elon predicts that Optimus could help Tesla get to a market value of up to $25 trillion in the future. Recently, Tesla unveiled a new generation of hands for Optimus, an advanced design that allows the robot to perform more complex tasks. A notable demonstration is the robot being able to catch a tennis ball with 100% accuracy, showing that Tesla robots are no longer limited to simple tasks but have begun to move toward tasks that require high flexibility and precision. Optimus has also passed the test of moving on complex terrain, although you can see that its gait is still not all that convincing. Tesla is upgrading the gait to become more natural and the speed also faster, but you can see that it moves on terrains that bend its legs to reduce slipping, and that's somewhat unbelievably human-like. After Elon endorsed Trump in the recent election, the relationship between the two has improved a lot. Analysts believe that government support, similar to previous subsidies for the semiconductor industry, could give Tesla a big advantage in the field of robotics. Moreover, the tough immigration policy could boost the demand for automation in the U.S., creating a huge potential market for humanoid robots like Optimus. After the incidents of Trump being in danger, maybe he could hire Optimus as a bodyguard. That makes sense, right? Just kidding. Not only limited to the U.S., the global robot market is also expanding. Forecasts show that the market could hit $7 trillion by 2050, with more than 1 billion robots in use around the world. Big companies like Tesla, XPeng, and Xiaomi are focusing on developing robots for factory stores, even homes, making this a big business opportunity. Elon has announced that Tesla only spends about 10 grand to make each Optimus robot and plans to sell them for $20,000. For every 100,000 robots sold, the company can earn $1 billion in profit. Elon also has ambitions to produce billions of Optimus robots to serve every country in the world, from Japan to China. This promises to create huge profits and change the way the global economy operates.
Elon Musk is officially going to produce Tesla TV, and the crazy thing is that it is confirmed to be launched this year. Many years ago, Elon Musk revealed a project about electronic products that operate on sustainable energy. But what makes people most unbelievable is that Tesla will produce TV codename XTV, with a super crazy price when this thing is launched. Producing a smart TV does not seem to be a big challenge for Tesla, when at least 5 gigafactories have electronic components for this product. Like Optimus, it inherits many parts transferred from electric cars, so Tesla can produce at extremely low cost. Of course, Tesla X TV will have exclusive features that you cannot find in any other TV. This poses new, interesting things that go far beyond the technology of traditional TVs. Discover Elon Musk's plan to produce Tesla Smart TV right now. Is this the next technological revolution following EV and humanoid robots? Why does Tesla want to produce TV? What is the secret behind the unimaginable price, and how far will the production process go? Let's explore the details in today's article. After revolutionizing EVs, renewable energy, and humanoid robots, Tesla sets its sights on smart TV. Elon Musk's innovations have transformed electric vehicles, renewable energy, and humanoid robots, reshaping human lifestyles and freeing up work time. However, no one expected that one day he would consider producing a smart TV. In a surprising announcement, Linda Yaccarino, CEO of X, revealed that X TV will launch in 2025. She shared on X, "In 2024, X changed the world. Now you are the media. 2025X will connect you in ways never thought possible. X TV, X money, Grok, and more. Buckle up. Happy New Year." Meanwhile, last year, when Elon Musk was asked by an X user about Tesla's plans to produce a smart TV, there were doubts about whether the company had enough resources to embark on such a project. The user pointed out Tesla's capability to create the massive 18.5-inch central control screens for the Cybertruck. Musk responded, "Tesla can do it in a few years when we have the demand for it." This response indicates that the idea of producing a TV has been on Musk's radar, but would only materialize when the timing was right. So, what could Tesla's smart TV offer? While we're uncertain about the full feature set, since the product hasn't launched yet, there are several things we might expect. The Tesla Smart TV 2025 immediately captivates with its ultra-slim design, boasting a thickness of just 10 to 15 millimeters at its thinnest point. This sets it apart from competitors like the Samsung Q90C, which measures 25 millimeters, and the LG OLED G3 at around 20 millimeters. The nearly invisible 3mm bezel creates an unparalleled immersive viewing experience. Crafted from 85% recycled aluminum alloy and tempered glass, the TV not only ensures durability, but also reflects Tesla's commitment to environmental sustainability. In contrast, competitors like the Sony A95L still rely on plastic casing, lacking the premium feel and eco-friendliness. Equipped with next-generation 8K micro-LED technology, the Tesla Smart TV is expected to deliver a peak brightness of up to 2,500 nits, surpassing the LG ZX OLED at 1,000 nits and the Samsung QN900C at 2,000 nits. Its 7,680 by 4,320 resolution offers breathtaking image depth and sharpness, 4 times the resolution of 4K. Watching content on this TV is like seeing objects leap out of the screen. This is not an exaggeration. Tesla's proprietary HDR Pro Max technology delivers extraordinary color accuracy, typically reserved for professional-grade monitors, ensuring true-to-life colors from any angle. The micro-LED technology is not only 30% more energy efficient, but also extends the TV's lifespan to 100,000 hours, twice the average lifespan of high-end OLED TVs. An advanced cooling system guarantees stable performance and long-lasting durability, even during prolonged use. Under the hood, the Tesla Smart TV might feature the in-house Tesla Neuralink V2 processor, enabling advanced AI capabilities such as content suggestions, voice recognition, and streaming optimization. Tesla's exclusive operating system enhances performance while cutting costs by eliminating third-party software licensing fees. The over-the-air OTA update feature extends the device's lifespan and continuously enhances user experience without requiring hardware upgrades. Tesla Smart TVs are not only technologically superior, but also challenge traditional pricing structures. By utilizing the same resources and components as electric cars, Tesla TVs can achieve much lower prices. Similar to Optimus, where the average cost of a humanoid robot ranges from $80,000 to over $150,000, Tesla can produce it for $10,000 and sell it for $20,000, as Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized. While premium 8K TVs like the LG Signature X start at $3,999, Tesla smart TVs could start at under $500 for the 55-inch version. Even the highest-end 85-inch version is expected to be priced under $1,500, much lower than the average market price. Tesla achieves this breakthrough pricing by leveraging modern gigafactories and a vertical integration strategy. These factories use automated lines to reduce labor costs by up to 30% and increase productivity, with the ability to produce a TV in just 45 seconds. Manufacturing its own chips in-house helps Tesla save up to 40% on component costs. Additionally, the direct sales model eliminates intermediaries, further reducing costs for consumers by 20 to 30%. In short, the Tesla X Smart TV can provide at least 5 features, including Tesla's own operating system, allowing seamless connection to the company's products and services such as smart maps and controlling IoT devices in the home. The TV also supports 3D viewing experience without glasses or connecting to Tesla's AR/VR devices, providing a realistic and immersive entertainment experience. In addition, users can control the TV via voice and gesture sensors, making it easier to operate. Another interesting feature is that the TV can display information from Tesla vehicles, such as charging status or vehicle status, directly on the TV screen. Finally, the Car Cinema Entertainment mode allows users to enjoy movies or shows while the car is charging, creating an entertainment space that suits all needs. Once again, please help us reach 1,000 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you.